It's time for Let's Talk Millets again. And this time I want to talk about Bajra. And it's the perfect time to talk about Bajra because we are legit in the winter season. And in India, you must have noticed in a lot of cities, people eat Bajra, especially in the north, because it's really warming and comforting and it soothes the body and comforts the body in winters. And it also is amazing because it has high iron, protein, and fiber content, which helps to lower your cholesterol levels, which also keeps you full for longer and makes you less lethargic. Besides that, it has B vitamins, which is excellent for your nervous system. And the best part is, like every other millet, bajra is also gluten free, so amazing for your gut. And you know what next is going to come up. That's my PDF of my favorite bajra recipes. All you need to do is comment bajra below, and I'm happy to share all my amazing and yummy bajra recipes with you so that you can enjoy it during this winter season, feel warm, comforted, and stay healthy and nourished.